Why is it harder to fly a rocket into the sun than it is to fly one to Mars? We're all familiar with the concept of gravity. It is the force that keeps you standing on the Earth and the planets orbiting the sun. Reflect on how gravity affects you on Earth and realize the sun's gravity is almost 29 times stronger than that of Earth's. If the gravity from the sun is so strong, why isn't everything in our solar system just pulled into the sun? This is because the planets are orbiting around the sun really quickly, so as they are falling into the sun, they are also displacing that fall by moving sideways along their orbit. You could think of an orbit as a planet constantly falling around the sun. Any change in that planet's orbit speed and it would fall out of its orbit. Faster and it was away from the sun, slower and it would fall towards the sun. The Earth is orbiting the sun, so when we go to Mars, we use energy to leave Earth's atmosphere, but we'll also get a speed boost from the Earth's momentum from its orbit speed. In order to move towards the sun, we have to cancel all of that momentum out. This means we need the energy to leave the atmosphere plus enough to cancel the speed of the Earth's orbit. Because of this, NASA estimates that it takes about 50 times the energy to go towards the sun than it takes to go to Mars.